Hi everyone, welcome to techpex.com. So the project that we will be discussing today about is an automatic shutter closing system. So normally the shutters that we see at the shops, they require a lot of manual efforts and can also be injurious at some times, or they can cause problems like backache and many more. So this project is aimed at providing an ease while opening the shutter so that it can be easily lifted up by old age people or ladies or as per the requirement just by a push of a switch. So here we have provided this project with two modes, that is the first one is IoT enabled mode and the second one is the manual. So in the IoT enabled mode we can control the operation of the shutter by just using our mobile phone, and we can control it remotely. And the second mode is the manual one, in which we have to manually just press the button so as to open or shut the shutter down. So these are the buttons for controlling the operation of the shutter. Next, we have used a gear motor for the movement of the shutter, and we have stored it inside a gearbox as shown in the video. And this is the mechanical structure of our shutter. So as discussed earlier, our project comprises of two modes. Number one is IoT based and second is the manual one. Let's have a demonstration of the manual operation of this project. So here you can see that as soon as I press the open button, the shutter starts lifting up and it continues to move up to a certain position. Now I'll press the close button. So as soon as the close button is pressed, the shutter starts moving down up to the bottommost point. Here it can be seen that the shutter has closed very smoothly, and as it can be seen that it is quite an effortless process and it also consumes very less time. Let's try its operation again. Here we press the open button and the shutter moves up. Again it stops at getting a particular point, and now as soon as we press the close button, it starts moving down and continues to move down until it reaches a bottommost point. So this is how the manual mode of this project works. Now we'll have a demonstration of the IoT enabled mode of this project. On the screen you can see the application interface that we have developed using the Android application development. So both of the modes of this project can be used simultaneously, and here we have two buttons, like one arrow is moving upward that denotes the upward movement of the shutter, and the second one is the downward arrow that shows the closing motion of the shutter. So here as soon as I press the upward button, we can see that the shutter starts moving up. In this way the movement of shutter can be controlled from any corner of the world since the command is transmitted over the internet. Now as soon as I press the downward button, the shutter will start moving downwards. The movement of shutter here has been controlled using a DC motor attached with a gearbox. This is how the IoT enabled mode of this project works. Testing its working again, I press the open button and the shutter will start moving upwards. So coming to the technologies that have been used in this project. So other than Internet of Things, this project comprises of the concepts of automation, and other than that we have used embedded systems as well. So for providing the internet connectivity, we have deployed an ESP32 microcontroller that comprises of an inbuilt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module. However, Bluetooth we have not used yet. So now we press the close button, the shutter gets closed over here. This project can therefore find application in our day-to-day life by helping the shopkeepers and showroom owners for preventing situations such as fatigue, posture problems, backache, injuries, and many such issues. So that's all about our today's project. If you liked it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel to stay tuned with many more such projects. For any queries related to the project, or if you want to buy it, you may contact us on the number given on the screen or from the link given in the description below. Thank you and have a good day.